We have a 2015 S550. Cocaine white, baby. Let me show you what's going on under here. All right, so the customer came in and it was straight piped. So we took off the resonators and we took off the mufflers previously. But unfortunately, it was a little bit too loud. So what he did was he brought the car back and he's like, hey, put back on the resonators. So that's what DJ's doing right now. Putting back on the resonators. I don't have the sound of it being straight pipe, but I'm gonna show you what it sounds like, make you hear how it sounds like with the muffler delete. So we just deleted the mufflers right here, ran the pipe, right here, ran the pipe with the stock tips. And again, the stock resonator, so let's fire up. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, yo, and check out all the links in the description. We make sick content, also like this and like this.